Last week, Apple unveiled Apple Vision Pro, its VR headset. In this video, we are going to talk about the possible impact this new product may have on the company and, as a result, on the stock. Before we start, I want to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is what I do. Now, let's talk about Apple. I'd like to start by saying that I'm impressed. Apple Vision Pro is a much superior product than Meta Quest 3. Watching Apple presentation, the first thing that crossed my mind was, oh my god, Apple destroyed Meta. By the way, as investors, we want to know the possible impact this new product may have on the company and, as a result, on the stock. Apple Vision Pro is a revolutionary product. However, it's still an headset. Can you imagine people going around with this chunky device on their heads? In addition, it's too expensive and out of reach for most people. It will start at $3,499. I don't think it will be a game changer for the company, at least not in the near future. In a distant future, however, a lighter and less chunky version of this Apple Vision Pro may actually take the place of your iPhone, iPad and MacBook. Having said that, Apple is one of the greatest companies out there, and you don't need to wait for the Vision Pro to take off to buy the stock. But let's do a quick analysis first. Buying a great company doesn't always mean making a great investment. We need to take price into account. Specifically, the price of the stock relative to the fundamentals of the business. Remember, a stock may be a great investment at one price, but a lousy investment at another. Apple has a solid balance sheet, high return on equity and high return on capital. The stock trades at 30 times the company's earnings per share. It's not too expensive. However, it's not a bargain either. Frankly, I don't think the stock is going to go anywhere in the near future. For me, it's not time to buy and it's not time to sell. I have Apple shares in my portfolio and I'm holding on to them. Having said that, there is another factor to take into account before deciding to buy a stock, and that is time. If you plan to hold shares for a few months, Apple may not be a good investment at the current price. On the other hand, if you plan to hold shares for 5 to 10 years, Apple may end up being one of your greatest investments.